Welcome to another session with Dayo. Today we want to look at why most grant applications fail and how to fix it. I've discovered in my journey over the years that some set of people always win these grants, while some set of people they don't even understand how to go about it. And most of the application fails because they don't know what to do. So in this presentation, I will take you through how to apply for grant application, and if you have applied before and you are not winning, what to do to fix it. So every year, thousands apply for grants. Only a small percentage ever get funded. Businesses, startups, NGOs, entrepreneurs, all competing for the same funding pool, but most walk away empty-handed year after year. If you are in this position, just take your seat. Let's talk. Uh, 10 to 15% of applications receive funding. In fact, in some applications, like the one that I witnessed of recent, is not up to 5% that received the funding of all the people that applied. So 85 to 90% walk away with nothing, and you don't want to be in that position. And that is the reality. So why do I keep getting rejected? The painful truth is this: most grants application do not fail because the idea is bad. My brother, my sister, sit down. Calm down, let me explain to you. Your business is good, your idea is good, but there are some fundamentals you need to have understanding about before you apply for this. Now, when I take you through this system that we have put together and you go through it, any application you apply for next, you will just discover that they will be selecting you. The applications fail, the organization is not funding ready. That's one of the reason. Grant readiness is not about having a good idea, it's about being prepared to receive and manage funding. And this is the truth most applications never discover. You need to be prepared. And how do you prepare? We'll get there soonest. I have worked with hundreds of organizations seeking funding, business startups, NGOs, entrepreneurs across Nigeria and Africa. Grants, donor funding, startups, investment, global opportunity. The most consistent pattern I discovered was not a lack of good ideas, it was a lack of preparation. You see, if you are well prepared, as some 10, 12 years ago, when I have not discovered this system, first, I didn't even know that there are a lot of programs I can apply for. I only thought uh, during that time there was the You Win grant and there was the 28 million grant. I thought those are the grants that exist. I didn't know that there are a lot of them. And I wasted years before I discovered this system. In fact, this system was shown to me by my fundraising mentor. And after training sessions with him, I discovered that a lot of people, in fact, 99% of people don't have this system. They don't have this information. And the 1% that have this information, they will keep winning the grants. We continue to meet in different programs. Same set of people keep showing up. Why? They are the one that have the information of when to apply. They are the one that is well positioned for it. So eight reasons application fail. Weak proposal that do not address funders criteria. There is always the funders criteria, lack of professional structure and preparation, poor due diligence readiness, unclear impact measurement framework, poor documentation, missing or incomplete files, weak financials, no model, no projections, generic copy-paste application, poor positioning, and lack of credibility signals. All these are the reasons why application fails. I myself have marked the application, so I know what I'm saying. Okay. So how do I get grants? Most application focus here they chase opportunities without building readiness. Result rejection after rejection. So you need to sit down to say, okay, before I apply for my next application, grant application or funding application or opportunity application, let me go through a system that will open my eyes to this guide. Is this organization ready for funding? Experienced funders ask this question before they read a single page of your proposal. Funders do not just fund ideas, they fund credibility, proven track record and reputation, they fund governance, strong boards and accountability, they fund execution capacity, ability to deliver what is promised. They fund structure, organizational system that works. They fund professionalism, quality of documentation and presentation. They fund measurable impact, evidence of outcome and results. So there are truths. Organizations with brilliant ideas still get rejected repeatedly because having a great idea and being ready for funding are two completely different things. But here is the good news. Grant readiness is a skill that can be built. It took us 15 years to build this system we want to present to you. It's not just about luck. It's not about connection. It's not even about the size of your idea. The organization that consistently win grants are simply the most prepared. So we're introducing you to the ultimate brand readiness system, a complete funding readiness transformation system designed to help businesses, startups, NGOs, and entrepreneurs to become grant ready, investor ready, donor ready, and funding ready. Okay? E- this system, like I mentioned, it took me years to discover it, and it was shown to me, and I'm also going to show it to you. So everything you need in one place. This system, we've put it together in such a way that you don't need to stress yourself too much. There are things that you need, which are called templates. There are templates that you need. These templates are what people that are winning grants are using to win their grants. They've built it over the years for their business. And one of the things that we have done is because we have experience working with a lot of people from different industries. So we'll be able to come up with a template that is unique for business plan, for financial model template, grant proposal template, pitch deck templates. For example, there's an application they will ask you to upload your pitch deck. So each page of that pitch deck, there are expectations already. Due diligence checklists, AI prompts. There are people, we're in the age of AI now. So how do you know the right prompts to give you the right framework as you begin to approach your grants application? We also have our business development training videos that teach you on businesses, business creation, sales closing, employee management, and things like that. We also have funding opportunity resources and much more, everything in one place. So this is not just another collection of templates. It's not a random document bundled together. It's not a generic template from the internet. It's not an information you can Google for free. It's not a quick fix shortcut. It's a practical system for funding readiness. Is a complete transformation system built specifically for Africa, tested framework for real grant winners. We've won a lot of grants as an organization, as an individual. We've won a lot of donor-funded projects. Uh, and these are practical tools that you can use in 30 days as you continue to apply for application. This is a transformation from confusion to readiness, from rejection to professionalism, from weak structure to credibility, from poor documentation to complete documentation, from generic application to opportunity access. So who is this for? The grant readiness system is built for you. If you're a business owner or you're an SME seeking grants, loan, or investment for business growth. If you're a startup entrepreneurs, you are ready for first funding or seed capital for your venture. You are an NGO or non-profit applying for donor funding, bilateral grants, and foundational support. You are a social enterprise positioning for impact investment and blended finance. You are a researcher or an academics seeking research grants and fellowship funding. You are a consultant and advisor supporting clients in grant readiness and funding ready. In fact, one of the things we have done as a consultant over the years is to equip ourselves with information. If you ask me, we have purchased a lot of materials in this field of assessing grants. There is no major book on grants writing that somebody has written that we've not purchased, including trainings and things like that. So when we are coming up with something, it's based on our work over the years, based on research and things like that. So the key insight, the organization that consistently access grants and funding, they are usually not the luckiest. They are the simple, the most prepared. So if you're asking me, how do I access the system? If you check the comment section of this presentation, you will see the link, the seller link for you to download our system. You'll be able to purchase it and download it. The system position you as a grant ready person. Meet every criteria funder used to assess grant application. Donor ready. Submit compelling proposal that meets bilateral donor standard. Investor ready. Present professional financial pitch decks and business model to investor. Funding ready. Achieve complete readiness across grants, loans, and investment opportunity. So you have two options. Continue as you are, apply without preparation, keep getting rejected, waiting for luck to change. Or you get this system now, you build your readiness and submit professional application and become organization that get funded. We've ensured that this system is something affordable for you. With 25,000 naira or $50, you are good to go. Our seller helps us to collect currency in so many countries. So whichever country you are now, if you use seller link below this video at the comment section or at the description section, you'll be able to have it downloaded today. If you are serious about positioning your organization for grants and investment, donor funding and global opportunity, it is time to become funding ready. Now get the system today, the ultimate grant readiness system. Business plan grant proposal templates, 10-year financial model templates, investor pitch deck, NGO project proposal template, 100 plus grant database. In fact, there are some people, it's because of this 100 plus grant database that you will get this. We have AI prompt pack, due diligence, and so access the link below. Because the organization that consistently access grants and funding are usually not the luckiest, they are simply the most prepared. Always get that there are people that are most prepared. So take the action now, get the ultimate grant readiness system. Of course, the price will continue to increase. So these are the launch price that you are getting it for 25,000 naira or $50 as the case may be. So share the comment section or the screenshot section to click the link right now. I want you to follow this YouTube channel or this page, anywhere you are watching this video from. Like, subscribe, share with someone today. You know that youth, you know that entrepreneur that has been struggling to win grants. Reach out to them today and let them be part of this system. So on this note, I want you to watch out for my next training video. Thank you very much.